Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can pair your JLab Air Sport earbuds with your MacBook. So first of all, you have to open this charging case and remove it. Next, you can take a look for the indicators. As you can see, it will start blinking after a few seconds. So it means that we are in the pairing mode and we can smoothly go to the Bluetooth settings. And from the nearby devices list, we have to select the JLab GO Air Sport. And as you can see right now, we are successfully connected, and that's all for this video. Hope you like it.